Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure C++ development environment in Visual Studio Code. In order to set up the development environment, we need to install three essential things. First one, VS Code, second one, mingw, and third one is C++ extensions. So VS Code is already installed in my machine. And it's a very simple process. Just you need to open the Google Chrome and type for VS Code. Enter. So the first link itself contains the required installer. So you just need to download the installer and follow the installation steps. And now, once VS Code is installed in our machine, we need to continue with the second step, mingw installation. Actually, 1 and 2 steps are independent. You can perform them in whatever order you want. I'm following this order. So let's download the mingw software. For that, I'm going to open Google Chrome and just type here mingw distro and open this first link. So here we have two exes, one with Git and the second one is without Git. I'm already installed Git in my machine, so I'm going to download the exe without Git. So just double click on it. Yeah, it started downloading. It will just complete in couple of minutes. 1 second left. It's completed. It is completed. I'm going to open it in folder view. Now mingw software is ready for the installation. So just double click on it to trigger the installation process. So I want to keep everything in C drive. So let's remove the extra folders. Click on the extra button. It will complete in a couple of minutes. So what is this mingw software contains? mingw software contains the GCC compiler and Windows specific header files and library files. It actually helps us to compile the C++ program. So the installation is completed. Let me go to the C drive and see. To C drive, so mingw folder is available. Just open it and open the bin folder. Now copy this path. Now I'm going to configure the path variable. For that, just click on this PC, right click on it, open properties, advanced system settings, open environment variables, select path and click on edit. Now new, just paste that path here and press OK. Okay. So this is done now. Now let's verify the status of the installation process. For that, I'm going to open the command prompt. Here just type cc -- version. We are getting this message means mingw software is installed successfully. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code to install the extensions. So Visual Studio Code here. Search for C++. So select this. Make sure you are selecting the Microsoft version. Just select this and click on this install symbol. So installation is now it's installing. Now we need to add one more extension. Extension name is Code Runner. Just type Code Runner here. Code Runner. So just select this and click on install. So installation is completed. Now close this. Close the extensions. Go to File, preferences, settings, extensions, select run code configuration, just click this run in terminal and save, close these settings. Now I'm going to create a folder on desktop, create a folder, name it CPP, go to VS Code. One more point we need to remember, we need to reload the VS Code after installing the extensions. So I'm going to close and reopen it again. Open it. Now go to File, add folder to workspace. So we have already created a folder on desktop, CPP. Select CPP and add. So CPP folder is added. So I'm going to create a new file. So I'm going to create a test.cpp under CPP folder. Test.cpp. Close this. So I'm going to write a small C++ program. Using namespace std into main 0. I'll add a cout statement. Welcome. Let me run this code. Okay, we got some error. Just save this program and compile it again. This error will be resolved automatically. So I'm okay. Welcome. And I'm going to save it. And I'm going to run it again. Yes, we got welcome here. That means the error is resolved and we got the output. So this is how you can configure or set up the C++ development environment in Visual Studio VS Code. So that's all with this video. Hope you liked my video. If you did, please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.